Kentucky Attorney General says Fayette County Public Schools violated state law when they voted to ask the fiscal court to raise the occupational license tax last week.
Now the district tells us they plan to revisit the tax raise in their meeting later this month. WKYT Samantha Valentino is breaking down how we got here and the path forward if the district votes to pass that resolution once again. It is our top story at 6.
The Fayette County Fiscal Court was slated to vote on the FCPS board's resolution asking to raise the occupational license tax in Thursday's meeting. That was until Attorney General Russell Coleman released his opinion, saying the board's vote passing the resolution was unlawful as they failed to give the required one-week public notice.
Given the Attorney General's opinion issued yesterday and upon the advice of the Fayette County Attorney, Fiscal Court cannot address this matter as it was presented.
In Attorney General Coleman's opinion, he says the Fiscal Court cannot impose the tax unless it's certified by the school board again, this time in a meeting held after at least 1 week's public notice is given. The district tells me the tax will be on the agenda for their June 23rd meeting.
In theory, we have to act on it within 10 days. I don't know if people will be in town in July to act on it, so we will have to see.
On their website, FCPS says the fiscal court's role in imposing the tax is, quote, purely procedural. They say its only role is to, quote, adopt, not to debate and approve or disapprove. I asked Fayette County Judge Executive Mary Diane Hanna about this Thursday.
Is that the case, or do you guys have an option to say no?
Well, in this case, we were able to say hang tight and wait on it, but I have to let counsel answer that.
While the fiscal court's power to decide on the tax remains unclear, Hannah says the public's opinion is.
I received phone calls, I received emails, and I received texts about it. No one was in favor of it, but I did have one person say she was in favor of it, but she wasn't in favor of the way the process went.
FCPS says they will hear public comment again in their June 23rd meeting. That meeting will be virtual. In Lexington, Samantha Valentino, WKYT.
So, if the Fayette County School Board votes to approve that resolution again, the fiscal court would have to call a special meeting within 10 days of its passing to decide whether to impose that tax. So, we asked you at home if the occupational tax should be raised to help FCPS with its budget. Right now, more than 90% of voters say it shouldn't. You can scan that QR code there on your screen to weigh in, or you can head on over to WKYT.com.